And yes, I know, I'm not really skinny. It's a metaphor, don't worry. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have yet another mukbang and girl chat video. So, if you would like some American Deli, then please keep watching. And we have Chloe Grace here. Do you want to come say hi? No? Okay. So, this is what I'm eating today. I have a chicken Philly with no mushroom and 5 hot wings. It's Friday, it's cheat meal day. I know you better not lick that container. But yes, it's cheat meal day. I'm trying to lose 10 pounds, so I don't eat out besides one fun meal a week, and then I'll go out to eat once a week also. So I'm very excited about this. Also, update from last mukbang, I finally did call McDonald's back after over a month, and they sent me a coupon to get a free sandwich. So I still have not gotten my apple fritter. Joy. But let's get into this. I'm so excited, you guys. This is such a nostalgic meal for me because when I was larger, I used to go to American Deli every week and get this meal, and it was so good. So I stopped eating Philly cheesesteaks from American Deli because I just don't need all this. I'll just be eating this in quarters, and y'all know I can't talk and eat at the same time, so I probably will only eat half of this. If you guys have American Deli in your area, let me know down below. Oh, my mouth is watering. Once again, I'm sorry you guys can't see the food. I'm making a mess. But can you taste it? Can you taste it? I'm so hungry. Should have gotten a fork. This just takes me back to college. Oh no. I feel like something dropped. No. No ma'am. I have a confession to make. I listened to Beyonce's album today. When I went to get this, well, only 2 songs. I listened to Cuff It and Plastic on the Sofa. Plastic on the Sofa. Those are my 2 favorite songs. The only songs I like from the album. I'm also dressed in my activewear. Y'all, look at that loose skin, but also look at that definition above it. Look. So y'all know I like to wear activewear for my mukbangs because I feel like it's such satire, eating a bunch of food and wearing workout clothes. But your girl did work out today, always. So let's get to some topics that I want to talk about. I just wanted to have a girl chat video, but then none of my girls submitted questions or topics. Do y'all hate me or what? Let me be sure, but last time I looked, no one submitted anything. Yeah, so nobody submitted anything. So we're just gonna talk about whatever I wanna talk about. And yesterday was actually my girl's birthday. Shout out to brwngirlluxe, my friend Delana. She is the sweetest ever. I'll link her channel down below. Hopefully you're already subscribed, but yesterday was her birthday. Oh, I also have a peach drink with no ice. So yesterday was her birthday and we went out and it was a group of us, and let me tell y'all something, so y'all already know that I'm an introvert and I'm very shy. Well, I won't say very shy, but I am a little shy. This larger personality that you guys have been able to see on my YouTube channel, this is the real me, but it takes a while for me to warm up to people. So if you ever meet me in person and I'm more subdued, don't think that I don't like you. I just have to warm up to people because I'm a Gemini. You can't just hop out the gate with this large personality. So, I have to ease my way in. So I was a little oh my goodness, there's gonna be a new group of women that I'm gonna be meeting. Are we gonna mesh? Are they going to like me? And everybody was so freaking nice. Here's my chicken wing. Do y'all like flats or drums? Let me know down below. I'm a flat girl. Now, I do have a flat backside, but I'm a flat wing girl. Been so long since I've had one. So Delena's best friend was there. And then there were 2 other women there, and one was actually a vlogger. And I have to say, so like, y'all know that I'm like so regular. Like, obviously, I'm not an internet sensation or celebrity. But when Jalea walked in, before she even sat down, she was like, oh my gosh, I just have to say that I love you so much, and I'm just excited to meet you. And I was just like, wow, like you just never know who you're going to meet and how you impact them. And she was talking about how she watched my Get Ready With Me last month or the month before when I was talking about quitting. And it's like, damn, like these are the reasons why I stay doing what I'm doing. But anyway, I say all that to say, everyone was so amazing, so nice. And it's just so nice to be around beautiful, successful women in their own right, who are nice, who are welcoming, who like to have fun and aren't stuffy. Like, let me tell you, meeting new people and being in new social circles, that can be a lot. May I help you? May I help you, Chloe? This mean girl culture is such a thing. And that's why I'm always so pleasantly surprised to like really meet amazing women through friends or YouTube or anything that I really mesh with, because I don't know, there's such a stigma out there that the pretty successful girls that are also popular are mean girls. And so I just love meeting genuine women who just want to learn from one another, have a good time, like be themselves, and know that it's not like a judgy situation. So that was really, really nice. 3 of us in the group are actually vloggers or like influencers and on social media. And so it's just always funny to see everybody's perspective on things. But let me tell you, I was just so happy to be in a space with a bunch of positive women. Like, it was so nice. We love some good ranch. Now, it's not Wingstop, but it'll do. Like, do y'all feel as a grown woman, it's easier or harder to make friends? I feel like it's harder once you're older and you're trying to establish yourself and you're busy. Like, it's so hard to make time to make new friends. But I also feel like you can't count that out, because the group I was with yesterday, we meshed so well together. Like, we're already planning on having like a girls' night or a trip to a winery, fall activities, like just something. And I'm like, wow, like you just never know who you're gonna meet and who you're gonna mesh well with. And let me tell you, as someone who is not extroverted, who does not really go out in groups really, to be introduced to a new group of women and have it be such a success, I was like, wow, like it was so nice. Like, we stayed out all day. Your girl left the house at like probably 11. I didn't get back home till after 11 p.m. because I went out with one of my guy friends. It was just such a good day. Like, who am I? For those of you all who are like me and are an introvert, or maybe you're not, do you really feel like it's easier to make friends online versus in person, specifically as you get older? Honestly, there are so many amazing, funny, and just women that I follow like on YouTube or Instagram that I adore, even that I haven't hung out with, but that live in Atlanta. I just feel like internet friendships can blossom into such beautiful relationships. Even like people who you meet through work or through other friends, like you just never know what's gonna come of those friendships. And honestly, most of the friends that I have in my life now, if I didn't meet them in college, I know them through like work or social media. So don't count out these friendships that start on the internet. Now, I don't know about dating. I don't know about that, but as far as friendships, I've had such a good experience. I put my hand up on your hip. When I dip, you dip, we dip. Y'all, this is so good. Cheat Meal Friday is so fun, and it's so worth it. Eating well all throughout the week to have something fun. It's all about the sacrifices. I had to go get a fork. Now, I will always love the movie Mean Girls. Not because I am a mean girl, but because it's so funny. But those type of women in real life, we don't need that energy. And honestly, y'all know I started following PeytonCharles like maybe a month or 2 ago. That is one thing I love about her so much. She's so genuinely nice and down to earth. I don't know if it's just my experience, but how often do you find someone who has like a large audience, is beautiful, intelligent, like a grown ass woman doing her thing, who is so personable? There are not, and this is why I understand when y'all are like surprised that I respond to your emails, DMs, comments. I know why you're so surprised, because most people do not take the time out to interact with their supporters. Now, of course, it could be because you're busy, but Peyton and I have had like real ass conversations on Instagram, and sometimes I'm like, is she really responding? Like, yes. Some people are just so genuine, and like fame and popularity and money really does not change them. So I don't know. I feel like I'm meeting a whole new group of amazing women through the internet now. And it's just changing the way that I see making connections with people and building friendships. Like, y'all are dope. Y'all really are. And it's just beautiful to see. YouTube brings you together to some really amazing people. I'm so full. But I'm gonna try to finish my food this time. Have some bread. I'm gonna dip it in the hot wing sauce. You want some? Excuse me. That's also another reason why I really want to do my meetup in December, because I want to meet like my supporters who live in the area. Because like I said, I have done them in the past, but that was probably like 3 or 4 years ago. Would you like a wing? I just think it would be so cool. Coffee, 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 bang, bang. There's something about American Deli hot wing sauce. It's so vinegary. Wingstop is good and all, but I think Wingstop is better for like, what is that? Fun flavors. But American Deli, baby, you can't beat it. But yeah, I just wanted to chat with y'all a little on this fun Friday, have my lunch with you all. Whew. Hope I don't have heartburn later. When you're old and you can't eat fun food. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this mukbang. I really love these more relaxed style videos. I feel like you all get to learn more about me, and they're just fun. But if you are in the Atlanta area, let me know if you'd be open to a meetup in December. Now, depending on how many people want to come, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'll have to like really think about it. But I do want to do it. I can't eat anymore. I did eat my 5 chicken wings though. Your girl is full. Baby, you can't have any of this chicken sandwich. So I'm gonna stop before I legit fall over. But I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, I'm so full. This is why I stopped eating this meal. Ooh, you know when you get so full like you're short of breath? Like, is my food piling up on my diaphragm? Like, what is happening? Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this inspired some of you to try to really cultivate the online relationships and friendships that you may make. I don't know. I would have never thought that I would make such amazing friends or just such nice friends through social media. But if you think about it, how many people in a 15-mile radius of you that you're really gonna come in contact with every day are into the same things that you're into? Like, it's not often the case. So I don't know. I just love all the new people I'm meeting. I'm so appreciative and inspired to have them all in my life, and I can't wait to hang out more. And I'm just glad that Mean Girls are canceled. Well, at least that's what this movement should be. Mean Girls are canceled. Because we don't like that energy. So I love all the energy that you all always bring. I love you for watching and supporting. Hope you enjoyed this video. I am going to go rest and let this food digest before I shoot some more content. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. You want to come say bye? Come here. Oh, you're going to say bye to friends? Say bye. Her tail's wagging. Say bye, friends. Say bye. Bye, guys. She loves you, I promise. She's just a greedy little baby. I just gave you a treat. Before I went and got the food, I gave you a treat. Oh, I'm so full. I'm never getting that meal again. Oh, it's like, it's just a chicken Philly and 5 wings, but my goodness. Whew, it's hard being skinny legend. And yes, I know, I'm not really skinny. It's a metaphor, don't worry.